Okay, so everyone's talking about AI for coding right now. Like,
Yeah.
is it going to steal our jobs? Are we going to be, writing blog posts instead of code or something?
Right.
So today we're going to take a deep dive into this AI coding buddy thing. We're looking at some insights from CodeSkill Chronicles, their episode AI Allies.
Episode 11.
Right, episode 11. And we want to figure out how to make AI work for us, not against us, whether we're just starting out as a coder or, we're the senior person on the team.
Yeah, and I think the cool thing here is that the episode really emphasizes that, regardless of your level, you're not obsolete.
You're not out of a job yet.
Yeah, definitely not.
Oh, sure.
So let's talk about how we can actually use these tools.
Yeah, so let's get practical.
Okay.
If you're a junior developer, think of AI as a turbo boost, right? Not like full-on autopilot. CodeSkill actually had this hilarious anecdote about Copilot where it wrote this beautiful, concise function, but it totally choked on edge cases.
Oh, no.
So it's like, looks great on the surface, but totally falls apart.
Right, so it's a good reminder to really understand everything the AI is giving you.
Yeah, treat it like you wrote it yourself.
Yeah.
You got to understand it, test it, even if it looks like basic setup.
Exactly, because especially when you're early in your career, AI can be a huge help in learning.
Yeah.
But you have to know the fundamentals. You can't just accept the output. You have to dig into the why.
Understand the how and the why, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's say you're mid-level. Now we're talking about saving serious time.
Yeah, okay.
Imagine AI writing all your tests.
Oh, that'd be amazing.
Right, hours saved. But here's the catch.
Okay.
CodeSkill is very clear about this. You still have to review those tests.
Oh, okay.
Think of it like you've got a super enthusiastic intern.
Okay.
Sometimes they're brilliant, but sometimes they need some guidance.
Right, they need that senior eye.
Exactly.
Yeah, and for mid-level developers, that's key because you can streamline those repetitive tasks.
Right.
But still make sure the quality is there.
Exactly. And catch any weird assumptions the AI might have made.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay, so now let's say you're the senior dev on the team.
Right.
Now it's all about figuring out how AI fits into your workflow. How do we actually make this work for everybody?
Right.
So CodeSkill talked about this experiment with an AI code reviewer.
Okay, interesting.
It was awesome at catching syntax errors, the little thing.
Little gotchas.
Yeah, but it missed some big picture logic stuff.
Oh.
So it's like it can help, but it's not a replacement for you.
Right, it doesn't have that human understanding.
Exactly. So their advice was to test these tools on small contained tasks first before you roll it out to the whole team.
Yeah, that makes sense. Start small, see how it performs.
Exactly.
And for senior devs, it's not just about the technical stuff, but how it impacts the team.
Yeah, the collaboration, how people work together.
Exactly.
Okay, so we're starting small, we're easing into it. How do we avoid total chaos?
That's the key question, right?
Right. So for junior folks, CodeSkill has some golden advice, one tool at a time.
One tool at a time. Okay.
They mentioned this person who tried using 3 AI plugins at once.
Oh my gosh.
And just got completely lost.
Yeah, too much, too fast.
Totally. So master one tool, understand it, then move on.
Yeah, I think that's good advice for anyone, really.
Totally.
Take it slow, focus on what each tool can do.
Okay, so mid-level devs, think of AI as a suggestion engine, not like an autocomplete for your whole code base.
Right, not just blindly accepting everything.
Exactly.
Yeah.
There was this funny story about Copilot suggesting this super clever code,
Okay.
but it was so complicated that nobody could understand it later.
Oh, so they had to scrap it?
They had to rewrite the whole thing.
Wow, so it's about using AI for ideas, not just implementation.
Exactly. Bounce ideas off of it, but don't just blindly hit enter.
Right, maintain that critical oversight.
Yeah, because, AI can come up with crazy solutions,
Yeah.
but your code still has to be readable.
And maintainable, yeah, absolutely.
Exactly. And, as a mid-level dev, you have the experience to filter those suggestions.
Right, you can see the potential problems. Okay, so what about senior developers? Where do they fit in?
So senior devs, this is where you set the rules of the game.
Okay, lay down the law.
Exactly. CodeSkill suggests creating an AI usage document.
Interesting, like a set of guidelines.
Yeah, exactly. You lay out, when to use AI, when to trust your gut.
So everyone's on the same page.
Exactly. It helps keep things consistent.
And avoids any surprises.
Right. And another pro tip for everyone, keep track of your AI wins.
Okay, the times it actually helped.
Exactly. And also the flops, when it steered you wrong.
So you can learn from those mistakes.
Exactly. Real data is more valuable than hype.
Definitely got to see what actually works in practice.
Okay, so we're integrating AI. We're being smart about it.
Right.
Now let's talk about keeping that human touch.
Okay, because that's important.
Yeah, so for junior developers, remember, AI can't invent creativity.
Right, it's not a magic creativity box.
Exactly. CodeSkill shared this example of an AI-generated UI.
Oh.
It was technically perfect, but totally bland.
Oh no, like a robot designed it. So it's missing that human element.
Exactly, but once they added some personal design flair, it made all the difference.
That's where the human understanding of user experience comes in.
Exactly.
That spark of creativity that AI just can't replicate.
Okay, so for mid-level devs, think of AI as freeing up your brain power.
Okay, so you can focus on the hard problems.
Exactly. Let AI handle the routine stuff so you can focus on the big picture.
Right, like the architectural challenges.
Exactly.
Yes, you can dedicate your energy to the more complex stuff.
Yeah, because that's what humans are good at.
Exactly.
Okay, so senior devs, this is about showing how your expertise guides AI.
Okay, showing that it's a collaboration.
Exactly. CodeSkill had this example of an AI-assisted refactor,
Okay.
and the senior dev's direction was crucial to making it work.
So the AI is a tool, but the human is still guiding it.
Exactly. And finally, a pro tip for everyone, share your AI stories.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, the good, the bad, the hilariously buggy.
Because we're all learning here.
Exactly.
And sharing those experiences can help everyone.
Right, because we're all figuring this out together.
Definitely, it's a community effort.
So start smart, integrate wisely, and stay human.
Love that.
It's about shaping AI, not being shaped by it.
Right, we're in control.
Exactly. Imagine AI handling all the tedious coding tasks.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Right, so we can focus on the truly innovative and creative stuff.
Yeah, focus on solving the big problems.
Exactly. And on that note, CodeSkill.xyz wants to hear all your AI wins and spectacular fails.
Oh yeah, go share your stories.
Head over there and tell them what happened. That's our deep dive for today.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for joining. Until next time.